Hello students, I Professor Nagesh Dhuvre welcome you all in today's class. Today's class is an introductory class for us and my teaching subject is English. Dear friends, all of you know the importance of English language and English is the most important subject for all the faculties, arts, commerce and science. You know very well English is an international language, so we must know about the language, the importance of language. So let us see what is the importance of English language and why most of the people use English language. So let us see about the language, importance of English. First, English is the international language as Hindi is our national language. In the same way, English is the international language. It is a spoken language in all the corners of the world. We can exchange our views with the people of other countries, and this is the language of the world, international language. That's why we can exchange our views with the people of various countries. Opportunity of employment in other countries. This language can provide so many opportunities, employment opportunities in other countries. This language opens the gates of Western sciences and technology. If you want to learn Western sciences and technology, then you must know English, you must get knowledge of English. Language of trade and industry in India. This is the language of trade and industry in India as well as abroad, means in the world. Language of court. In all the court in India, English is used as a first language in the court. Language of national importance. English language has also national importance. Language of communication. In most of the states, the first preference is given to English. For example, Kerala. Let us see about the text. We have seen what is the importance of English language and how English is very important language nowadays. Let us see what is the content in the text. Textbook मध्ये आपल्याला काय शिकायचं आहे. First section is prose section, and in this section we are going to learn 6 lessons which are written by various writers. First one is the being neighborly, and the writer is Louisa May Alcott. This lesson is omitted, म्हणजे हा पाठ यावर्षी गाळलेला आहे. On the summit we reach the top. The writer is Tenzing Norgay. Tenzing Norgay, he is Nepali Indian Sherpa, and he is the man who scaled on the Mount Everest, and he is one of the two, and his friend was Edmund Hillary. He is the first man, first Indian we can say, who scaled on, who climbed on the Mount Everest. Third one is the call of the soil. This is written by Indian writer Venkat Iyer, and this is about the organic farming. Pillars of democracy. This lesson is written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and he emphasizes in this lesson on liberty, equality and freedom. Then Mrs. Addis. This lesson is lesson by Sheila K. Smith, and in this lesson she depicts the story of peasant woman. एका शेतकरी स्त्रीची व्यथा कथा इथे तिने दिलेली आहे. In the 6th lesson, Tiger Hills, this lesson is about Kargil operation, Kargil victory of India, and this is written by General Ved Prakash Malik. Then the next section is poetry section. This is very interesting section. The first poem is Cherry Tree. This is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is Anglo-Indian poet. Then The Sower. This poem is written by Victor Hugo. This is the French poet. There is Another Sky, third poem. This is written by Emily Dickinson. Upon Westminster Bridge. This poem is written by very famous poet, and he is also called as romantic poet, William Wordsworth. Nose versus Eyes. This poem is written by William Cowper. And the last poem, The Planners. This poem is also omitted this year due to COVID-19. Boy Kim Ching. Then third portion is the writing skill, and in writing skill we will have to learn all the skills of writing. First one is the expansion of idea, second blog writing, third emails, how to write emails, how to send emails, how to create emails, interview techniques, that is the fourth one. Then we will have to see the film review. Film review means चित्रपट समीक्षण, चित्रपटाची समीक्षा करणे. The art of comparing, and this is called the सूत्रसंचालन. याला म्हणतो आपण आर्ट ऑफ कॉम्पेरिंग, सूत्रसंचालन सुद्धा आपल्याला येते. And in the last part we will learn new genre, that is drama. And in this section 4.1 history of English drama, we will have to see the history of English drama, the beginning of the English drama up to the present day. Then 4.2 the rising of the moon. This is the one act play. It is related, it is based on the nationalism, and this is written by Lady Gregory. Then 4.3 extract of drama. We will have to learn two extracts. Here A is A Midsummer Night's Dream. This is written by very famous playwright William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is the shining star in English literature, and without William Shakespeare, English literature is nothing. It will become null and void. And the last B, An Enemy of the People. This extract, this drama is written by Henrik Johan Ibsen. Henrik Johan Ibsen is Norwegian playwright, and An Enemy of the People is realistic play. And at last we will have to learn tense, narration, voice, degree, transformation of sentences, synthesis of sentences, and this is the most important part. Grammar is the most important part to learn all the things. So let us stop here. You have listened and watched this video. I say thank you to all of you. Thank you.